Have you ever been working on a Flutter app and wondered how to manage your widgets when they come back to the foreground? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the onResume and onPause methods for Flutter widgets. I totally get it. You create a widget, and it only has the init state method that runs when it's first created and dispose when it's destroyed. But what about when it comes back to life? You're not alone in this confusion. Many Flutter developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a method to detect when a widget comes back to the foreground or goes to the background? This is similar to the onResume and onPause methods in Android, or view will appear and view will disappear in iOS. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal? Flutter doesn't have built-in onResume and onPause methods like Android, but there are ways to achieve similar functionality. Understanding the lifecycle of your widgets is crucial for managing their state effectively. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your widget states like a pro. To detect when a widget comes back to the foreground, the user can utilize the widget's binding observer class. This allows the user to listen for application lifecycle changes. Next, the user should override the didChangeAppLifecycle state method. This method will be triggered whenever the app's lifecycle state changes. Now, the user needs to register the observer in the init state method of the widget. This ensures that the widget starts listening for lifecycle changes as soon as it is created. Finally, the user should remove the observer in the dispose method. This is important to prevent memory leaks when the widget is destroyed. Fun fact, did you know that Flutter was created by Google and is used by companies like Alibaba and BMW? It's a powerful tool for building beautiful apps. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests using the widget's binding observer to manage widget lifecycle events in Flutter. They provide a complete code example that demonstrates how to detect when the app's lifecycle state changes, such as when the app is resumed or paused. Additionally, it's important to note that this approach manages the app-level lifecycle, meaning it responds to the entire app's state rather than individual widgets. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your widget lifecycle in mind. Properly managing your widget states can lead to smoother user experiences and better app performance. And there you have it. You now know how to manage your Flutter widgets when they come back to the foreground. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Flutter development.